Frederick Fortress. Hello, friends. On this occasion, I will discuss Fort Frederick. If we cross Malioboro Street along that route up to the 0 kilometer point, there are not only commercial buildings but also structures from the colonial era, one of which is Frederick Fort. Frederick Fort is one the building that stand witness to the historical event that occurred in Yogyakarta since the Dutch government entered the region. The establishment of Fort Frederick in Yogyakarta is closely related to the birth of Yogyakarta Sultan. The first Sultan Palace was built on October 9, 1755. After the palace was occupied, other constructions such as Late Market, Mosque Square, and other buildings were developed. The progress of the palace accelerated rapidly, causing concern for the Dutch. Therefore, the Dutch proposed to the Sultan to allow them to build a foreigner the palace. The construction of the fortress was just felt as a means for the Dutch to maintain security in the palace and its surroundings. However, behind this justification, the Dutch had their own intentions, which were to facilitate their control over all development occurring within the palace. The fort is located only one cannon short distance from the palace, and its position facing the main road to the palace indicates that the fort's function can be utilized as a strategic stronghold, intimidation, attack, and blockade. The establishment of the fort is intended as a precaution in case the Sultan decides to turn against the Dutch and become hostile towards them. In 1760, a building began to consist as a company fortress. This fortress was very simple, and in 1767, the governor of North Java in Semarang requested the Sultan to build it stronger to ensure the safety of the Dutch people. Thanks to the permission of Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono I, the construction of the fortress was completed in 1787 and was inaugurated as a company fortress under the leadership of Governor Johannes Sieberg, named Rustenburg, which means place of rest. Fort Rustenburg experienced rapid development, and in 1867 in Yogyakarta, it was hit by an earthquake necessitating repairs. After the repairs were completed by tenders, the name Fort Rustenburg was changed to Fort Frederick, which means peace. As time went by, the Frederick Fortress recorded important events that occurred in the city of Yogyakarta during the British control from 1811 to 1816. This fortress was held by British government under the leadership of John Cromwell at the orders of Governor-General Thomas Stamford Raffles. During the British occupation, an important event occurred in the place, namely the attack by British soldiers and engineers forced on the Yogyakarta Palace from June 18 to 20, 1812, known as the Geger Sepoy event. On March 7, 1942, when Japan occupied the city of Yogyakarta, this fortress was taken over by the Japanese army. Several buildings in the Frederick Fortress were used as a place for groups of Dutch and Indonesian people resisting Japan. The Frederick Fortress was also used as the headquarters for the competition and as a weapons and ammunition warehouse for the Japanese army. After the proclamation of Indonesia independence in 1945, Fort Frederick was taken over by the military of the Republic of Indonesia. However, during the Dutch military aggression on December 19, 1948, this fort was controlled by Dutch troops. From 1947 to 1949, the Dutch used this fort as the headquarters for Army 4G. This fort was also used as the headquarters for the battalion troops and storage for various combat equipment supplies. Therefore, during the general attack on March 1, 1949, the TNI force made this fort one of their attack targets to conquer the Dutch troops. On June 90, 1949, after the withdrawal of Dutch troops from Yogyakarta, the management of Fort Frederick was taken over by APRI, Indonesian Republic Armed Force. Since 1992 until now, based on the decree of the Minister of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia, Prof. Dr. Fuad Noor Hassan 4750-1992, the Frederick Fortress Museum officially became a special museum for national struggle under the name Frederick Fortress Museum Yogyakarta. On September 5, 1997, in the context of enhancing the functionality of museum, the Frederick Fort Museum in Yogyakarta received the responsibility to manage the Yogyakarta Struggle Museum in Brontokusuman, Yogyakarta, based on the decree of the Minister of Culture and Tourism dated December 5, 2003. Okay guys,